June 2008, and this is vlog number 30 for AbsoluteGains.com. Got a few things to do today, and I'm going to start off by opening a new short position, and the stock is Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley is one of the biggest names in the investment services world, and over the years has become a reliable stock to return value to shareholders. However, the problems in the financial arena over the past year have exposed Morgan Stanley's business model as inadequate. I just don't see why this stock will go up. It isn't rolling out any big new products. People are losing trust in big brokerages, so money's flowing out of the firm. In the near future, their traders might be faced with narrowing margins, which will restrict profits further, and they hold a lot of crappy level 3 assets. If you're not familiar with level 3 assets, this is a term given to designate assets held by a company that have values that are harder to pin down. So what happens is basically the company gives its best guess as to the value of these assets. Well, Morgan Stanley holds some level 3 assets that will prove to be worth next to nothing. Also, this is a good place to get into the stock on the short side because the stock got an upgrade today and shot up a little bit, so it's got even further to go down. Next, I'm going to close out a position and take profits. OTP is the ticker symbol for the Claymore Ocean Tomo Patent ETF. I originally picked this fund on April 10th at $26.35 a share. I'm closing it today with the share price at $27.30, which is a 3.61% profit. Not too hefty of a gain, but a gain nonetheless. Last order of business involves an option pick. Only last month I made my first options picks for AbsoluteGains.com and said that I might never make one on here again. Well, here I am a few short weeks later, and this time it's a call on Yahoo. The specific pick is the July 2008 $20 call. The ticker symbol is YHQGD. Today it closed with an ask price of $7.05 a contract, so that will be the entry point. This option looks to appreciate for several reasons, the biggest of which is all the speculation surrounding Yahoo and a possible takeover. Speculation leads to wild price fluctuations, and that means as the share price goes up, so will this option's value. Undoubtedly, some of the speculation will be negative as well, but it stands to reason that the option will be worth more than $7.05 a contract at some point before July 18th, the expiration date. Additionally, I do think the odds are in favor of a takeover or at least another bid coming in that will boost the share price rapidly. The Yahoo story will be a good one to watch. It'll probably be one of the more interesting things that happens over the next few weeks. I see the overall tone being sideways with a lot of things trading in a range. So covered call writing is still a really good strategy to have.
All content contained on and associated with AbsoluteGains.com is only an opinion.